Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing these two mini brands Magical Cook kitchen sets. I'm super excited to test these out and see if they are Barbie size. The first one we're going to be unboxing is this mini brand's the frying pan with the steak. I'm super excited to get this started. It's one of the ones I've actually been wanting. I'm super excited to unbox this and see how it would work in my kitchen. This is what is supposed to be in the container. So we get the heating element, the frying pan, what looks like a small jar, the spatula, steak, 3 broccolis, some, I believe, corn or bread, a plate, the steak itself, and the gravy. And this is the instructions on what to do. So here is the jar. It comes empty with nothing in it, and I'm assuming you have to fill the gravy in there. You also get 2 of these gravy pouches. Here's the steak, the plate, the 3 broccolis, what I assume is corn and carrot. So I'm sorry, carrot and corn. Here's the frying pan and the spatula. Here's the little heating element, and it looks like you just twist it on and then shut it off. So I'm assuming you just take the steak and put it in the pan, and then you would cook it up. So let me just move this out of the way real quickly. I'm just going to give it a few seconds and then turn it over. So it did brown the steak a little bit, as you can see here. It's a little bit darker. It fades pretty quickly, but it is a cute little idea to use for Barbie's kitchen. I'm a little surprised that all we got was 3 pieces of broccoli, a corn, and a carrot. I was expecting a little bit more. It's a cute little concept. I'm just gonna have to DIY some more of the veggies. Maybe do some potatoes or something on the side, unless this is supposed to be a potato, not corn. To be honest, I'm not even entirely sure what this is supposed to be. But it's a good idea. I think it's cute. I wish they would have given us a little bit more to work with, but like maybe another piece of steak or something. But I do think it's a cute little idea to use in my dioramas. So I am excited to have this in my collection. As you can see here, the lighting is just another blue light, just like the other mini brand items that you would use. So you don't have to necessarily use this. And again, the bottom of the frying pan is a clear look, so it's specific for this steak. I would have loved it to have another piece of steak with it, some more veggies, and then I believe this is the sauce. I'm not going to open it up and pour it into the jar just yet. I'm going to keep it here because I really don't have anywhere to put this just yet. I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing and show you what's in here. This is going to make a great little addition to Evie's kitchen. So I am going to be putting this away and unboxing the next item. The next one we're going to be unboxing is this one here, which is, I believe, the muffins or cupcakes. So here are the instructions on how to use this. I'm assuming what's inside here are the muffins. Yes. So you get the tongs. And then you also get the individual muffins. Here's the baking sheet or baking pan. And it looks like you just peel this off. And you have where you can line up your muffins. So basically you just put them in there, close this. I'm assuming you turn this on. It looks like I don't have batteries in this one. I'm not too sure what's going on. So it looks like this one, the batteries are dead. I'm not too sure what's going on with it, but I don't have any replacement batteries. So I'm going to see if I can, at a later date, take the bottom apart and see if maybe it's a user error or maybe the batteries are dead. I'm not too sure, but it doesn't seem to turn on at all no matter what I do. I have to say I am not very impressed with this one as much as I like the other one. The frying pan was actually my favorite. I think that this one here left me a little bit underwhelmed, to be honest. I was hoping that I was going to open it up. There's going to be maybe some toppings with this. I was hoping to have maybe some additional like items that I can add to the muffins, whether it's like some fruits or some whipped cream, syrup, sauce, something, or maybe even have the muffins itself be different color. But so far it seems to be that this one is not as impressive as I was hoping for it to be. I do like the sizing of it, and I'm sure once I get the battery replaced in there, it's going to work just fine. But for an initial reaction, I'm kind of underwhelmed. If you did purchase this muffin maker, let me know in the comments down below what's your opinion on it. Maybe it is just a user error on my side when it comes to the battery, or the lighting, I should say. Yeah, and as far as like what's your opinion on the muffins not having any toppings or anything like that? Would you have liked to have seen additional muffins, maybe some different toppings, or maybe have something a little bit different when it comes to these items? So in my opinion, I do think that these items are excellent use as far as sizing for Evie and her friends. I do like the steak with the little toppings. I wish there was a little bit more as far as like maybe some baked potato or some other toppings for the steak, like any side meals, like more vegetables, more carrots, more something. I love the sizing of the pan and the spatula and the little heating element. I think that's going to work great for storytelling. As far as the muffins, I do like the size of the muffins. I think that's a perfect size for the dolls. I wish there were some toppings for the muffins itself, and it's kind of a bummer that I couldn't get the light to turn on for the pan itself. But other than that, I think this is a really good sizing for the dolls. I do see myself using them in future storytelling, so definitely be on the lookout to see these items in the background or in storytelling in the future. So I am excited to be using these for that. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what's your opinion of this. Do you think this is something that you like? Did you purchase one, and do you enjoy using it? If not, do you see yourself still purchasing them? What would you have rather have seen in place of these items, if there's something you would like to change? And let me know in the comments down below. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please make sure to leave me a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so yet, make sure to subscribe and also click the notification bell so you'll be notified of future videos I post. If you have any ideas or recommendations on any future videos you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, guys, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.